New Generation DAF trucks are a dream to drive. They seize every opportunity to give you superb comfort. With the largest seat and steering wheel adjustment on the market, the driver can set the ideal position. Primary driving functions are operated from the steering wheel or column stalks, so everything is at the driver's fingertips. The amazingly spacious interior is perfect for work and relaxation. There's a wealth of storage space throughout the cab. In the bunk area, the XG and XG Plus offer a fully adjustable, relaxing bed for a great night's sleep. LED lighting adds to driver comfort. And for a cozy interior, the new climate control system provides the optimal temperature throughout the cab. With this and more, New Generation DAF trucks offer an exceptionally comfortable environment for driving, relaxing, and sleeping.